My name is James Ricks. My wife is Susan. We've moved to this neighborhood 30 years ago. For 25 years, we had vegetable gardens that moved around in different places trying to see what would take. Then basically gave up on that because of squirrels and raccoons. From there, it was basically just a place we would play with the dogs. About 10 years ago, I salvaged some windows, and the whole inspiration for the whole project revolved around these 28 windows I salvaged from a bungalow. So I designed the covered pergola, built that. That took a whole summer. After that, it was put in first a pond and gardens, and it just kept maturing from one year to the next. A big part of the inspiration for our gardens is because we're avid composters, and if anyone of you has ever composted on a regular, you realize you build up a lot of soil. So finding places to put that soil led to many raised gardens, and that was one thing. We did hire a landscape designer to help us lay out number one, what plants to buy, and how many. Able to be out in the yard and be able to appreciate nature in the middle of Chicago is really something else. Adding water features, not only does it bring nature to your yard, you still can hear the traffic here quite a bit. Water on top of it really try to mask it out. You forget a little bit about where you're at. So when I come home, this is my space, and I'll come out here and relax and do yoga. It's really, really enhanced my life quite a bit. My wife's as well.